Yung tatakbuhin natin from here to Baguio is 4 hours and 24 minutes. Di bali 139 kilometers. Guys, fog oh. Grabe oh.
Grabe oh, lamig niya no.
Ay, grabe. Ice Point. Ito na yung parking. Guys, pauwi na kami. Time check 6:40 ng umaga. Saturday. Yung dadaanan namin hindi dun sa dinaanan namin papunta rito. Kami pauwi, dadaan kami Baguio. Doon ang daan namin. Samahan nyo kami guys. Time check 7:04 in the morning. Yung tatakbuhin natin from here to Baguio is 4 hours and 24 minutes. Di bali 139 kilometers. Okay, let's go. Bye-bye, Kenley Bed.
Nag-guide pa.
Soft light
Kaya.
falls on quiet sand. You almost leaned in. Shadows move, skin to skin.
Thank you po.
Something unspoken. Will you let me in? You and I will always have that.
Then yung papunta yung city proper. Dito tayo. Pa Halsema Highway. Delikado raw yung Halsema Highway may.
Bakit?
Diyan sa mga dangerous road, yung Halsema Highway.
Sarap sa mata ng ano, lamig.
Ayan. Guys, fog oh. Grabe oh. Wow.
Ay, grabe oh, lamig niya no.
Ang baba ng ulap.
Nagmo-moist na yung mga ano, sasakyan.
Yan oh. Grabe yung fog oh.
Umuuso pa. Oh.
Walang makikita.
Lamig. Yan pa.
Lamig.
Grabe oh.
Grabe talaga. Yeah. Lamig. Uy, walang makita. Ito na, meron na tayong video.
Nga pala yun.
Grabe.
Hinahanap mo, dito pala siya.
Wow, walang makita.
Will always
Ganda no? Sarap sa mata, oh. Nasaan yung daan? Yan, nag-ilaw ng si Kuya.
Eh dapat lang kasi nakapag nakailaw tayo eh. Lahat
Hinahanap
fog
mo,
light.
hinahanap mo yung fog, andyan lang pala.
Kaya nga. Sumaging restaurant. Ay, ito yung Sumaging Cave mo. Diyan yung bababa. Oh, yan.
Dito?
Oo, yan. Yan yun. Ayan. Pababa dyan. Yan yung Sumaging Cave. Yan, dyan ang pababa. Pababa yan, malalim yan.
O, saan tayo?
Tingnan lang natin. Ang ganda nung ano nung araw. Di mo yung race nung araw.
Hmm.
Ang ganda. Doon, malalim yan.
We'll always have that one night. Come,
Dito pala yung daan ng Sumaging. Tingnan naman tayo.
that sunrise. We'll always have that sunrise.
Kanina nandito yung anong fog ngayon. Nandito naman. Sa left side.
Daybreak, shadows.
Sagada Heritage Village. Ah, dito pala yun. Yan o. Tingnan mo yung mga bahay dyan. Yung mga kubo-kubo.
Hmm.
Ano yan eh. Pwede kang mag-rent dyan eh. Inaarkilahan yan eh. Kunyari dyan ka tutuloy, dyan ka matutulog. Kaso mas mahal siya. Yan sa taas yan eh. Yan o. Dito yung daan. Yan o. Yan o mga kubo.
Diyan yung fog sa kanila eh. Lamig.
Masunog yung preno natin. Ito yung pinatatakutan ko. Pero kanina, ay kahapon, nagana siya. Yung engine brake, di ba? Ngayon ayaw, dire-diretso. Oh.
Just for a moment.
Kaya lang malamig dito.
Ang dami na mga aso, oh.
Malaglag kayo dyan. Diyan pa kayo nakapwesto.
Masanay na yan.
Wait talaga.
We'll always have.
Grabe yung tarik nito. Ito yung sinasabi nila. Napanood ko sa vlog. Grabe yung tarik ng pababa ng galing Sagada. Pero kung safe mo ito dala natin, okay lang yun. Kasi may cambio. Primera ka lang dun. Hindi ka natutulin. Ito kasi automatic to. Habang pababa, patuling ka ng patuling. May engine brake kaso mahina. Hindi niya kaya yung buong speed na matulin.
Soft light falls on quiet sand. You almost leaned in. Shadows move, skin to skin.
Tarik.
Something was spoken. Will you let me?
Ay, grabe. Ay, grabe. Buti na lang malakas yung motor natin.
Kaya naman eh.
Grabe yan ah.
Ang taas, no? Para pumapanik pa tayo.
Oo. Grabe yan ah.
Taas, no? Ang taas.
Shadows fade. You step back, I step away.
Ito syudad na medyo
Nothing's broken. Nothing new. Only the sunrise. always have that one night. We'll always have that sunrise.
Parang nandito kami sa kawalan. Grabe yung fog, oh.
Soft light falls on quiet sand. You almost leaned in. Shadows move, skin to skin. Something unspoken. Will you let me in? You and I will always have that one night. Come morning light, we'll always have that sunrise. We'll always have that sunrise. Daybreak, shadows fade. You step back, I step away. Nothing's broken, nothing new. Only the sunrise. Over you and I will always have that one night. Come morning light, we'll always have that sunrise. We'll always have that sunrise. I don't wanna leave. I don't wanna go.
Yung dinadaanan natin, ibabaw ng bundok to. Kasi kabilaan, bangin. Bangin dito, bangin sa right side. Yan, oh. So nandito tayo sa ibabaw ng bundok.
What if we could stop the pain from hurting?
Bakit sabangan tas buntok? May part pa ng Buntok Mountain Province dito.
Spirit broken into reverse a broken feeling.
Grabe. Ito, siko.
I'm tired of hurting now. All my tears are searching. Gonna open up my curtains.
Grabe yan, no?
'Cause I don't wanna miss you.
Kakainin mo talaga yung kabilang linya, eh.
We could stay young forever. Where would you go if you could time travel? Take me on a big adventure. Baby, if we stay together, we could stay young forever. Where would you go if you could time travel? What if we could pick up the missing pieces?
Tingnan mo yung poste. Mas matarik to, oo.
Love would never let us down.
Matumba na.
Broken into
Vader.
You may go, I know it's so uncertain, but I'm tired of hurting now. Now, all my tears and searching, gonna open up my curtains now. 'Cause I don't wanna miss out. Take me on a big adventure, baby. If we stay together, we can stay young forever. Where will you go if you could time travel? Take me on a big adventure, baby. If we stay together, we can stay young forever. Where will you go if you could time travel? Where will you go? Where will you go if you could time travel?
Video mo.
A new place, a new home for a while. Let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by. Life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself.
Parang tinitibag mo.
Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. 'Cause I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. 'Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way.
Hindi siya palay. Gulay.
Cause I found my way. My way. My way. My way. My way. Cause I found my way. My way. My way. My way. My way. I found my way. I found my way.
Ha?
I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay.
Highest point. Second highest point. Marami rin.
Second highest point. Yung dating highest point ngayon naging second na lang siya kasi meron ng mas mataas na highway. Yun na yung highest talaga.
My way, my way. Cause I found my way, my way.
Sige, picture ka na dyan. Gusto mo ba magtawa? Hindi pa tayo kumakain.
I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way.
Highest point. Daming tao. Hindi ka. Hawak ka sa akin. Kaya nga, nakita ko na to. Diba? Ganda. Hindi ko na nakita eh. Wala na. Balik tayo. Kaya mo na. Pero alam ko hindi pa yun eh. Kasi mahaba yun eh. Sana hindi pa. Pero parang yun na yun. Kung papunta ka ng Baguio, nandito yun sa ano, sa right side. Kung tinapyas nila eh, no? Kaya ang delikado, hindi mo alam kung stable pa yun. Kasi tinapyas nila. Dito na kami sa Baguio. As usual, traffic na. Yan ang ano ng Baguio. Hanap kami ng mga kakainan. Time check, 12:01. Sa Baguio na kami. Dami ang taxi. Saan na tayo? Saan na kakain? Doon tayo dati, ma'am. Ngayon yung ano eh. Ano yun? Ano yun? Hotel natin. Ha? Ayan o. Hindi. Yung... Ayan o, di ba? Ito yung inasali o. Di ba? Diyan tayo kumain eh o. Steak and toppings mo. Ano? Saan tayo? Hanap na lang tayo ron sa malapit dun sa ano, Lion's Head. Ayan. Ayan ang road. Minutes. Let's go. Lion's Head. Lizard Road. Gusto mo sa KFC? Ha? KFC? May spaghetti ron eh. Hanap tayong ano, local na kainan talaga. Ayan yung Burnham Park. Oh, yun, dahil tao. Yun yung kailangan naman. Doon, no? Luma na yung bahay na. Ito yung Cannon Road. Ay, nagulay nakapak na siya. Kaso wala tayong laga. Dito ma'am. T-Max to. Kaya silang T-Max. Wow, Lion's Head. Picture ka? Ha? Tayo. Tiga, papark lang tayo. Doon yung parking. Ay, bawal na rito. Ako, papark. Dati dyan lang tayo sa gilid eh. Ang layo ng parking. Ayan, pwede pala rin. Okay lang na. Ang laki nito eh. Ayan, ang kalahati nito, yung ilalim yan, walang laman. Yan, nag-ano naman. Ayan, ang kalahati. Ilalim niya, walang laman.